Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Realme X3 Super Zoom smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take photo by using volume buttons from our phone Realme X3 Super Zoom. First of all, on our phone, open camera. Click on camera here and click on settings here. Now click on volume button and select shutter option. Now when you press volume down key or up key, photo will be taken. Open camera and press volume down key or volume up key. Photo will be taken. You can also set volume button to function for zoom option. See here, when I press volume down key or up key, zoom is working. So in this way you can also set volume key for other functions. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.